I look at you and it's easy to see. You are that someone I've been trying to meet. I got your number, won't you pick up the phone? Don't leave me hanging on the door.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Like, I actually miss making videos for YouTube, but I think I'm back. And welcome to a day in my life, but let's make it chaotic. I have like 2 events to attend today. I have this urban radio competition here that I went for earlier. I went for last 2 weeks, and I passed the first stage. So the second stage was supposed to be last week Saturday, but then the sit at home in the east happened and in Enugu. So I had to they shifted it to today, this Saturday, which unfortunately, fortunately, is my auntie's wedding, and I'm on her bridal train. You understand? So I don't know how I'm going to mix it, but I'm trying to go, and this is like past 8, and I'm trying to go there on time so that I can be among the first set they attend, so I can come back quick enough to go for the reception. I must wear that dress, I must slay that dress. But anyways, yeah, I'm about leaving the house right now, and I'll probably I'll take you guys through. I'll take you guys through the whole thing. Hopefully, because today I said I must vlog today, and you people must get a vlog today. If you are just seeing this face for the first time, my name is Vivianifechi here, and I'm a small YouTuber, upcoming YouTuber based in Enugu State, Nigeria, southeastern part of Nigeria. Welcome to my channel, and stay tuned for the rest of the video.
I look at you and it's easy to see. You are that someone I've been trying to meet. I got your number, won't you pick up the phone? Don't leave me hanging on the dial tone. Think back to the night that we met, jumping in the pool, talk to you, dripping wet. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my...
So guys, I just got to my bus stop. I'm walking to the radio station. I'm not seeing keke, so I think I will just walk there. I'm very shy, people are looking at me. But yeah, I'll let you guys know when I get there.
Jump in your car and we drive to the beach. The sun was setting, it was just you and me. Wind in my hair and the sand in my shoes. Could've chosen anyone, but I choose you. Hop back in your car, top down. There's no stopping us, cause we own this town. Never knew I could have such fun.
Good morning, sir.
Never thinking you would be my number one. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one.
This is 15 minutes past 9. And I'm the first person. We were asked to pair with somebody, so yeah, this is where we did that.
Ice hockey player on spying charges and equally broke up a Russian espionage network and detained 9 people who were preparing.
So guys, I just finished though, and I'm on my way home. Is there any possibility that I can get home before 5 o'clock? Because there's no need again. Imagine going there by 5:30. That's if I will exactly get home by 30 minutes to get ready and everything. I bet I should just forfeit, I don't know. guys, I'm heading home. Ooh, I was so heading home now. Hi guys. Today is today. I just got back like 10 minutes or so. I just finished dressing up right now. I'm waiting for my friend. He said he was going to come and pick me up. I mean, what's the need again? Like, what's the need? This is like after 5. You just picture that I want to snap, boy. Just picture for the gram. But guys, like, I mean, see, this outfit is given. I don't know how I look with this hair. Tell me if it's supposed to cover my ear. But yeah, I'm going like this regardless. Ona kandi ananas.